guys, it doesn't look like there's going to be much of anything. Ooh, number one. That's number one. Number two. Alright, let's see. Alright. Alright, so one's the Cooper. Ooh, two's the Lancia. Mitsubishi double shots. Alright, so I found 1 and 2. That's 5. 5. There's 3. So that's the Mitsubishi. Let's move on to the next one just in case. These look super fresh. There's 3, 2, 5, 5. So 3 and 2, these would be for King Nut. Try to find him a number 1. Let me clean this up. Alright. So King Nut, you're getting number 2 and 3 double shots and the Lancia Stratus. Okay. That's pretty good. I've never really found low numbers. Ooh, look at these. Land Rover Gen 2 in the old retro box. Check this one out. Look at that. It's pretty clean. Ooh. Chevy C10. Look at that. That thing is wicked. I have to buy that. BMW is nice. Then you got the i8, which I just gave away, but I don't like the door shade variation. That's gonna bother me. This is pretty cool though. I do like that, but I'm not gonna pick that up. I might get this for King Nut. Let's move on down. Looks like, oh man, they definitely restocked, guys. Check this out. Shorts. You got the Mazda, the Subaru. Dang, that is sweet. Subaru is clean. Which one? Ooh, the Mazda or the Subi? Man. Choices. Look at this. That thing is pretty clean. Man. And then there you go. You got the Buick Riviera. That thing's really nice. Look at that. Alright, so this, and this. I gotta message King Nut to come get these before someone takes them. Ah, there's the Supra I need. Dang it, why are they? Oh man. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually stash this for King Nut because he's on his way here sometime today. I don't know when, but I need to stash this for him because he definitely needs this full set. So yeah, definitely picking up the Subaru, the little too short Nova, the Moon Eyes, and of course the mystery pack. So really good haul. Definitely wasn't expecting the new Boulevard series or finding the low number mystery bag. So sweet. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So I did score some pretty cool casts at Walmart, as well as the cubby hole I went to this past week, and I picked up like 4 or 5 cars that I just wanted to add into my collection. And of course guys, I did pick up the Toyota Supra from the first Fast and the Furious movie, which has always been one of my favorites. Now this one actually comes with the Paul Walker little figurine right here, which is really cool. I had seen this on the shelf when I found the Toyota GR, which is going to be from Fast 9, but I chose the GR over the Supra thinking that I was going to be able to go back and pick it up. When I went back, it was gone. So When I seen this one, I had to pick it up because I didn't want to miss out on this Supra again. And then as you can see right here, I did pick up the white Supra from his last movie, seeing Paul Walker drive off, and I think this thing is super clean. So I got the Toyota GR Supra, which is powered by BMW, which with a lot of fans isn't the best because BMW is the only one that puts out a straight 6. That's why they partnered with Toyota to make this car. But I still think nothing is ever going to beat the original Supra in general. So definitely a legendary car, so I'm glad I can put this with the collection. See, I'll probably just move all this stuff around and get that situated later on. I did pick up some goodies. This one I found at Safeway. I never thought I would see this on the pegs. I actually traded, I can't remember which Supra, I think it was the Sesto Elemento or the R35, that I traded Big A's diecast for this car and a bunch of other stuff he sent me, and I still have it right here. So never seen it in the area until this past weekend. When I seen it, I was like, oh wow, I'm not gonna pass this up again. So I wanted to get a second one. I got myself a second Twin Mill 3 because I can't remember who I got the first one for. And then of course, going to the cubby hole, I did pick up a couple of cool casts. First one is the Diamonds Are Forever 71 Mach 1 in red enamel with the chrome 5-spoke wheels. Now I like this variation much better than the newer re-release of last year, which came out with the, I believe it was the Aero discs. Where is it at? Right here. So not a fan of the Aero discs. I definitely think that the 5-spoke variation looks 10 times better. Check that out, much better. So I definitely wanted to pick this one up, so I did. Now I can have that one in the collection. And then this 98 first edition Firebird in gold with the True Value livery, the Eagle Goodyear tires. This thing is really, really sweet. So I wanted to pick this up because my best friend has this one originally. And I was like, man, I really want that in my collection too. So I picked it up. And then I also got myself the Ford GT90. I actually had a model car of this as a kid that I put together and everything. And I thought it was just a cool concept as a kid, seeing what they thought the cars were going to be like in the future. So 98 first edition of the GT90 looks super sweet. Also picked up the Roll Patrol Celine S7 in a matte black with the police livery, and then the red PR5s. This thing is really cool. I've always wanted a Celine S7 in my collection, which I do not have. So this is my very first one. And I think it is really, really cool. So I want to find more variations. I want to find more of a factory fresh, maybe an all silver, whatever other color variations they have. And then of course I picked up the Magnus Walker from the Hot Wheels showroom in satin black. Check this livery out. This thing looks amazing. I love the matte black with the gold and red deco on there, and of course the Outlaw. And then you do have the black MC5s with the gold ring around them. So I do have the teal version of it, or almost, actually it's more of a greenish color, but the 356A Outlaw is just a clean car. But look at this one, guys. This is much better looking than that one, but cannot complain. I wanted this one in my set since I do have a few Magnus Walker vehicles. And then, almost forgetting this bag from Walmart right here. Hold on, let me move some stuff around. All right, so like I said, I got number 2 and 3 for King Nut. This is number 3, and this one's number 2. So it's going to be the Lancia and the Mitsubishi, and then of course I picked myself up 1, 2, and 3 from the mystery models, which number 1 is the Mini Cooper. So I'll open those up later on. I did pick up the 63 Chevy C10 Pickup with the Moon Eyes deco. This is a super clean looking truck. Check out those wheels. Very nice in the yellow enamel, white interior, and then I do like the wood grain bed right there. That is very, very nice. Definitely adding this to my truck collection. I did stash the Moon Eyes as well as the Boulevard series for King Nut, and he did go and grab them. So here they are, guys. These are the ones I actually left the store with. The 63 Chevy Nova in a metallic purple. Look at this thing. This thing is clean. You do have the front headlight tampos, the big velocity stacks sticking out of the hood. the little too short, and as well as the gassers and all kinds of other graphics on the sides. The nice real riders, and then of course coming out back you have the really nice painted taillights to add some detail to it. But this is a very nice car. The only other premium gasser I have is the Hoonigan 55 Bel Air right here, which I had 2 of these and I gave the other one a King Nut. These are the black chrome versions of it. There are 3 variations, different combos of the grill and motor. Definitely cool to have another gasser out of the premium lineup from the Boulevard. And then of course, between this and the Mazda, I picked the Subaru Wrx. I just could not pass this one up. I love the color setup. I love the Subaru logo largely on the side with the yellow wheels. Just looks super clean. I've always been a huge fan of the STI rally wings like that. And of course, look at that detail of the license plate. You have the STI badge, tail lights. Everything is done very, very nice on this car. Looks like it has the racing Lexan glass. Very, very well done. And I love the fact that it actually has the tsunami scoop that is functional right up front. But look at that detail. That is very, very nice. So overall, guys, an amazing haul. But like I said, I've never found the lower numbers of the mystery models until yesterday. And then of course had to pick some up for King Nut himself, and then left him a full set of the Boulevard series minus the Volkswagen drag bus. So he has at least all 4 out of the 5, and then he'll have these in there. But of course, definitely love the pickup score from the cubbyhole. Let me know which one of these was your favorite. Out of all these, I've always been a huge fan of this particular casting in this setup right here in gold. But everything was a solid pickup. So that is all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these Fast and the Furious casts is your favorite. Let me know why. I definitely think the white Supra is my favorite, followed by the OG hero car, and then last is the GR Supra. That is all I got, guys. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.